Welcome to Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're at the local ATV dealership. And we're going to go in today and we're going to look at the... So stay with me, folks. Here it comes. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. Today is an exciting day. We're looking at the Can-Am Off-Road Crate. Now this is going to be an amazing reveal here, folks. You guys are going to get to see a brand new ATV that's going to be unboxed right here. The ATV that you're going to see has been upgraded and is new and improved, and it's an awesome performer. So our friend at Can-Am is going to take off the top here and we're going to have a peek inside. Well, I see bumpers, I see a seat, I see two seats. This is the Outlander XTP 1000R. This ATV comes in two different engine sizes, the 850 and the 1000R. This ATV comes with a tri-mode dynamic power steering. Auto-locking front differential is absolutely awesome. This machine this year has come out with so many extras. It is absolutely tuned to perfection. So I'm going to put a diagram up here. You can have a look at it and it'll give you some specs. I'll also put some specs down in the description below so you can have a look at it later. Can-Am has added some awesome features to this machine. You'll get to see this ATV unboxed. It is super cool, and you'll get to see some of the specific features that have been added. So here we go, folks. The Outlander 1000R. Absolutely beautiful. If you guys are getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. Thank you. When I look at the front of this ATV, I can see that they've got the 4 LED signature lights, which are super cool. I really like the fact that there's a front built-in compartment. It's absolutely awesome because it's level with the rack and you can still add other accessories to it. Now let's talk a little bit about performance. This ATV has 101 horsepower and 69 pounds of foot torque. It comes with a high flow radiator coolant fan, and it also has 4-disc brake system with the front sway bars. It is excellent. It really does keep you stable to the ground. It comes with the 14-inch aluminum wheels, and it's got the 26-inch XPS Trail King tires. And you can see how well this ATV was packed in this crate. Like, it's not moving at all. He's releasing all the tie downs. It absolutely does not move. I can really appreciate that. If someone purchases a new machine, definitely you don't want to see it scratched or damaged when it arrives. Once this ATV is put together, it's going out for a test ride. So stay with me till the very end, folks, and you guys can see how wild this thing is. As we all know, there's a ton of accessories you can get for an ATV. You can add a whole whack of accessories. I'm going to put a bunch of Amazon links down in the details below. You guys can have a look and see if there's anything you want. It's no extra cost to you. You just have to click on the link and decide if it's something that works for you. I'm a big fan of the adjustable Fox shocks. They offer such superior control, comfort, and they allow you to fine-tune it so you can have the exact specific ride that you want. And with this ATV, it's got the Fox shocks all included, and it comes equipped with a 3,500 pound winch, which is absolutely perfect. And for those folks that love to mud, this is going to be the cleanest this ATV has ever been, because once it leaves here, it's going to be an absolute mess. A quick look at the side compartment. Your accessibility is excellent here. You can refill your brake fluid, and you can check your oil and top it up, refill it, whatever you need to do. It's all right here. As we look underneath, you can see that there's a skid plate already in place, which is fantastic. It comes stock, it's there, it protects the undercarriage. Hitting those bumps and ruts and mud, you want something to protect for sure. As we move along, we can have a look at the back storage, which actually does come out, so it's removable. Looking at the very front here, folks, this is a cell phone holder, and it comes with a C connector charger. Everybody wants a place to put their cell phone, but there's never a good place. Can-Am has definitely thought of everything when it comes to this machine. If you're a mudder, I would definitely put my phone in a Ziploc bag just to make sure it stays dry. Looking at the handlebars, on the right side, there's the front differential lock, 2x4 and 4x4 controller. On the left, you've got your lights, your start button, DPS mode button, and your winch in and out. Of course, you've got your brake levers on each side as well. In the center, there's a 7.5-inch display, and it's really easy to see. As part of putting this ATV together, the beads and the lug nuts have to be torqued down to the manufacturer's recommendation. It's part of a safety thing. You don't want them over cranked, and you definitely don't want them under. Now he has to check and make sure that all the tires are inflated properly. Now he's going to move on to attaching the front bumper and the rear bumper, and they come with the orange matching paint. which match the shocks and the wheels. Putting this ATV together sure took a lot longer than I thought. There was lots of parts that needed to be added on. I thought this ATV would show up with less things to put together. I thought this was a fantastic idea. Removing this cover, then you get access to everything. You've got your intake, you've got your coolant, you've got your fuses on the right side, and you've got your air filter on the left. Super easy to replace, clean up, whatever you need to do. It's right there, nice and handy. And it's the highest point of the ATV. It's time to start this Can-Am up and take it for a good spin. You're going to get to see how this ATV performs. This Outlander performs best when it's off-road. You're going to see this powerhouse go to work, so stay with me, folks. So this ATV is going to go for a spin around the block, and then it's really going to go for a workout. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. If you want to see another video on the Can-Am Maverick Trail, you can click on this link right here. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this video. Is it something you would consider? Is that something you would buy? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.